Biotech Trail Europe 24. For their second visit, the travelers of Bite24 stayed in northern Netherlands. In Groningen, they were hosted by Biotech. This company is engineering microorganisms to produce molecules on an industrial scale.
To replace petrochemical processes that are polluting the environment, and to put in place a more sustainable process through fermentation. Yeah, and one of the examples that I can give you is that we've engineered an organism, for example, to make a biodegradable plastic. The beauty of it is we have microbes that can produce that very well, and the plastic is able to basically degrade on a midden heap in 6 months. Microorganisms can produce it very well. So it's a nice replacement for, petrochemical-based plastic. These organisms can eat sugar, for example, but you can also genetically modify them to also be able to grow on waste streams, which makes our process even more sustainable. We've worked on an organism that can produce spider silk as an example that we can make very complex proteins and also secrete those proteins to make it easier to produce them. Spider silk can be 25 times stronger than Kevlar, even, than bulletproof vests. We serve customers that have a drive to become more sustainable, that have a drive to use novel technologies to create also sometimes new molecules. And we serve them by helping them engineer these microbes and fermentation processes. And we do that a bit faster and a bit different than most people because we've built a computational laboratory where we can test all of the different strategies first before going into the lab. That saves time, it saves money, and it lowers the risk. Our clients are the companies that you've never heard of, right? It's the clients that produce molecules that are in your shampoo, so that are bought by Unilever or something like that. So we have to do a lot of searching and a lot of attendance of conferences to find these companies that want to do projects with us. Now, over the past few years, we've built a lot of network, but also the technology is quite novel. So not everyone is yet convinced by the power of computational biology. It's very abstract, right? Some people don't feel comfortable with modeling just because they have not been exposed to it and they don't know the power of it yet. But we are there to help convince them and also show them that there's a faster and better way. That's indeed what the farmer doesn't know he doesn't eat.